good thing
Beautiful.
we were invited to witness yung inauguration and grand opening. This is the first time that they actually invited for visitors to come here. Si Mayor, hi natin si Mayor. Ayan, sama natin. Ingat po, ingat po. May palda po. Oh, yes. Alright, so this is Sage. And this is located po sa Barangay Margot. Just outside Clark. So perimeter lang siya ng Clark.
Near Deca.
Near Deca. What can I say? Grabe, ang ganda ng lugar. It's very Instagrammable.
Kasi pagdating namin dito, nagulat kami. Very maganda.
Yes. So I believe they also entertain yung mga events here kasi meron silang parang open lawn, yun, a garden that you can set up. So earlier, nakain na natin yung mga pagkain ng sarap. So tingnan nyo muna kung ano yung kinain namin, guys.
Coffee break!
Look at this, it's so eye-appetizing. Ganda sa mata. Mami, first time kong kakain ng caviar.
Caviar.
Alam mo ba kung anong caviar?
Ay, lang po to. Eggs to.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Yeah. Pero yung caviar na ganito.
From Paris.
Oh, yeah.
Caviar. Wow. Caviar. Thank you. Oysters in maka. Na-invite kami with some media and some VIPs din. So, the way it goes, may mga visitors tayo na nag-enjoy ng mga pagkain nila dito sa labas na to. Kami naman nag-enjoy kami dun sa pinaka-dining area doon dito. Ang laki na lugar. I like it. It's very lovely. It's pretty. Yep. Are you enjoying?
Waiting for my day.
Nice.